Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to enable the dark theme in Audacity. Also, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So once you boot up your Audacity, you need to go to Edit right here in the upper right corner, then select the last option that says Preferences. After a few moments, this menu will load. So here, you need to go to the interface option, right here. So here you can find your interface settings, such as language, location, and theme. And if you look under the theme option, it says light. So all you need to do is click on light and select the theme that you want. In this case, we want the dark theme. And once you selected your theme, you can just click OK. And after just a few moments, your Audacity interface will be transformed to a darker theme. So that's how you can change your theme in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.